Alright, Facebook. I'm right here doing a mobile mechanic job, which y'all can see. I'm doing the fuel pump, the fuel line, and the fuel filter. Every time you do a fuel pump, you always got to change your fuel filter because you don't want to run something new on something that might be old, stuffed up. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what you got to do. This works between a 2002 through a 2005 Ford Taurus 3.0. It's a V6. So what I'm going to show y'all, that when the tank's up, you gotta take the screws off of this. One's right there, and one's going to be sewn right there. Once you do that, go ahead and put you like at least a jack underneath the gas tank. Before you dropping it all down, make sure you disconnect your gas line. And then you got yourself another pump right there, another little hose. Then you gotta disconnect this. Pull those off because you don't want to drop your tank all the way down and end up breaking them. While you lowering it down, you gotta move those holes over. And then you gotta disconnect this other line that's gonna be connected to a T. Then you disconnect that power line. Make sure you always disconnect your battery before you even mess with the fuel pump. That's the first thing. Then your fuel filter, drop it all down,
Here's the line and filter. I need to go to the other store and get because they just had the motor. You need the whole assembly.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. I'm going to pick up the assembly.
Alright.
And that's a big